Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play The Legend of Zelda, Wind Waker HD on PC easily. First, you'll need to download the Dolphin emulator, which is a fantastic, free, and open-source program. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements for the best experience. Once downloaded, simply install the emulator by following the straightforward on-screen instructions. This initial step is crucial for setting up your gaming environment. Next, you'll need to acquire the game file itself. It's important to legally obtain a backup copy of The Legend of Zelda, Wind Waker HD. This game file usually comes in an ISO or WX format. Once you have it, save the file in a folder that's easy to find on your computer. This ensures that the Dolphin emulator can locate and load your game without any hassle, getting you closer to your adventure. Now, let's optimize your Dolphin emulator settings for the best performance. Open Dolphin and head into the Graphics Settings menu. Here, you can adjust the internal resolution, aspect ratio, and anti-aliasing to enhance the visual quality. Don't forget to configure your controller inputs, whether you prefer a gamepad or your keyboard. Taking a few minutes to fine-tune these settings will significantly improve your gameplay experience. Finally, it's time to launch your adventure. In the Dolphin emulator, simply click on Open or File and then navigate to select your Wind Waker HD game file. The game should now load, and you'll be ready to dive into the beautiful world of Hyrule. Enjoy playing The Legend of Zelda, Wind Waker HD on your personal computer with enhanced graphics and smooth performance. Have fun exploring the Great Sea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.